Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change a stuff of your settings. So it will be like a utility that will help you customize and change things in Windows 10 for your settings. So let's get started. So first, you want to open your Google browser, and after opening your Google browser, you just want to go to just to type in Untimel Untimel Windows to Worker 4 for Windows 10, and then click enter. And then you will have to click on the www.techspot.com, and then basically you have to download the Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7 slash Windows Vista slash Windows 7. I don't think anyone is using Windows Vista or Windows 7. So either you want to get Windows 8 or Windows 10. So I have Windows 10 on here, so I'm just gonna download Windows 10, and I'm just gonna wait for it to download. And after it downloads, so I just have to I will open it and then show you the stuff that it has. So it's downloaded, and now if I go to my file explorer and then go to this PC downloads folder, and then this is the folder UWT4. So if I extract the folder, extract, close my, and then open it right here, and then it's this one. So after I extracted it, I close the extract file, and then after I extracted, it's gonna be downloads UWT4 is unzipped. So open it, open the unlimited Windows Torque 4.7.1. That's the version of it right now for November 6, 2020. And then I will open the application right here, the third one. Click on it, and then it says, would you allow? I click yes, and then this is the, what's it called, the the website. So it has Windows 10 Pro version 2004, 5.2 Windows Experience Index, Intel Core i3 2120 CPU at 3.3 gigahertz, and then 64-bit, and how much RAM I have, and then custom. So custom is like I can customize Windows 10 so however I like. So I already did this before, but cannot do it again. It's one time use. So I did this before, but I'm just showing you. Yeah, I can enable dark mode. I can disable in-link web workspace, and like ton of other stuff right here. And then if I click on the text bar up here, I can remove the volume icon from the notification area, remove the network icon from the notification area, remove the actions center icon from the notification area, and then I can remove the text bar, all of the text bar. I can remove the text bar buttons, so the buttons on the text bar, I can remove them all. I can remove a notification area. I can remove the clock from the notification area. I mean, I don't know why would you want to do that, but these are some twerks that this utility has. And then you can start showing Windows version on the desktop. I don't know why is that on there. And then all of the other settings. You can disable taskbar and start jump list. I didn't do that. So disable lock screen, so I can disable my lock screen, so when Windows boots, it just boots like to the desktop. It doesn't have to boot, and then I have to enter my passcode if I have one, so it doesn't show that sign in screen and everything. And I can disable charging log screen image, so I can disable the battery image for the charging, but I cannot do that because I'm using my desktop right here, so I can enable slideshow, so on the lock screen it can show pictures that I have on my computer, like my pictures or any other pictures that I have if I want them live, but I don't do that. And like ton of other stuff. And then for this PC, it says if you want to add like system and the power option, the network and sharing center, and if you want to add the file explorer on your desktop, so basically it's gonna be easier for it to access when you need them. You can add them to your desktop, and I don't do that because I like to keep my desktop clean. Only the recycle bin I have on here, and then one folder that I use multiple times. And then performance, you can play with like settings for the computer performance, but I don't recommend that because when it comes time to update, your Windows version, it will cause problems, and then that means that you have to format your hard drive and reinstall Windows again. So that's not recommended. And then security and privacy, that's just like, so Windows is tracking you basically. So if you want to disable security and track privacy, you can open here and then disable like task manager, disable control panel, which doesn't have anything to do with the Windows tracking, Microsoft tracking you, because the control center is just like you playing with your computer settings and stuff. So it doesn't make any sense to do that. So this page just for like disabling Windows tracking and everything, and then here is this is the primary function. So this is like for disabling stuff from if Windows doesn't want to track you, so you can disable stuff. And then here Windows, it says disable Explorer content and other stuff. So basically you're disabling stuff on Windows, so you can disable OneDrive, for example, if you don't use OneDrive. You can disable Windows Defender, but I don't know why would you want to disable Windows Defender when Windows Defender is for Windows and that is free, comes with Windows without even having to pay any money, because other other software like Advest and the other paying software are money. You charge money for it to get it. With Windows Defender is free, totally free, so you don't have any problems with like renewing and everything, and it works with Windows. Every time you do an update, it will upgrade with it. So it will update with it. So I don't know why would you want to disable that. And then Internet Explorer, if you use Internet Explorer, you can put your home page. So basically, when you open Internet Explorer, it will open with the page that you want to open. So let's say I want to open with google.com, so I can just set it right here. I can put google.com in there, add the link in here. So select all and then paste www.google.com. And then if I want to change anything from there inside the Internet Explorer, I can. And then context menu, that's just like stuff for your desktop if you want to change stuff and then add stuff on your desktop, which I didn't play with. Additionally, and then you can play with other stuff right here. There's more settings to play with. And then under troubleshoot, UTW, so if you have any problems with the application and anything, you can troubleshoot, and then if they can, and you have the support, you can contact them. And then search, if you want to search for a utility on here, if they have it, you can search for it. If they don't have it, you have to find another utility. And then about, if I close this one, and then in the about is just saying the license agreement, and end user license agreement. So this is what you agree. This is what their license agreement, and that's it's for Windows 10, 32-bit and 64-bit. But I don't know who's still using 32-bit. I mean, all the newer computers for now is 64-bit. So if you have a computer 32-bit, then you want the 32-bit basically. And this is the website that I've been using to play around with my settings and do it easier than going through the settings from here and then playing around with it. I just see this as more work for me than when going through here and searching for the stuff and searching here to play with it. All I come in here for is the updates. So if I go to update and security and then go to updates, and then I can get my updates here. That's all I use settings for. But when I want to like change the taskbar color or my other stuff, all my stuff, I use this website to change them. And I think that website is better than you going manually and doing it by hand. And I will put links down below in the description of my video. And then make sure to like, subscribe, share, and if you think this video helps you, just click the like button. And thank you for watching.